So the thing you want to remember is these screws are going into plastic, and you don't want to over tighten them because you'll just break the plastic screw anchors right off. But you want to get them in so that the dishwasher shuts properly. As well, it would seem like if you opened up your dishwasher too many times that eventually the screw holes would be stripped. Okay. Oh yes, Trey. Trey likes to help with the dishwasher. He's very good at unloading. He takes one out and gives it to me. I've obviously got this one screw giving me a little bit of a problem. Okay, so all my screws are back in, and it's back on. So let's turn the power on at the fuse box.
What? You still did.
So here we go. Hi guys. Everyone's playing Play-Doh, getting Bubba stuff out. We call Stiffy Cups Bubba's in this house because nobody ever really had baby bottles because of the nursing, so it's all Bubba's. So, back on. Close this back up. We keep a latch on it for safety. And it's a spring-loaded latch so that the kids can't open it up. Don't want to have problems with that. So, back up the steps. Trey, why don't you come into the kitchen, honey? Hold on just a minute, please. Yeah, just a minute. So now, the dishwasher is running. And we'll see how it does with the original part back in it.